Arendt was a German Jew who originally opposed the Nazis until it became politically impossible for her to do so. That Nazi tyranny deeply affected her personally and philosophically. It inspired her to write in 1951 her book, The Origins of Totalitarianism, in which she took aim at what she called the novel form of government that is totalitarianism. Her argument in a nutshell is that totalitarianism, and by this we can understand fascism and Stalinism, differs from despotism, tyranny, or dictatorship in its use of terror to subjugate mass populations instead of subjugating only political adversaries. So whereas a dictator might kill off his political rivals and more or less leave the people alone, totalitarianism is a broader, all-encompassing terror of the population to keep them in line. This led Arendt to conclude that the operative factor of Nazi terror was not the Jewish populations, because the Jews were merely a convenient excuse that they pulled from history, but the general Nazi practice of subjugation itself was the Nazi terror. Everyone was brought into line.